Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Everyone is aware that this time November 2020 examinations will be conducted in two cycles. First cycle of examinations will be conducted in the month of November and the second cycle of examinations will be conducted in the month of February. Came to know that some students are planning to appear for Group 1 examinations in the first cycle and they are planning to appear for Group 2 examinations in the second cycle, which are going to be conducted in the month of February. For the benefit of such kind of students, we are planning to start short-term revision exams and study hours batches at CA final level. So, in these batches, we will commence physical study hours in all our branches from November 25th onwards. And there will be two exams a week, one exam on Wednesday, another exam on Sunday. And all these examinations will commence from the 13th December 2020. That means first revision exam will be conducted on 13th December 2020. And the last revision exam will be conducted on February 7th, 2021. That means after appearing for these revision exams, students can comfortably write Cycle 2F examinations which may be conducted in the second week of February 2021. So the best part is we are going to conduct study hours physically and this facility will be available in all our branches. So in these short-term batches of revision exams, since the available time is very less, a student can choose to write revision exams either in Group 1 or Group 2 but not both. And there will be separate schedules for Group 1 of new syllabus, Group 2 of new syllabus, Group 1 of old syllabus and Group 2 of old syllabus. So there will be 4 different schedules for the benefit of 4 different types of students. And for these kind of students, even hostel facility is available separately for boys and girls in Guntur. Some students may not show interest to attend the study hours physically. For the benefit of those students, we are even giving admission for revision exams alone. It is called MMTS, Masterminds Test Series. Under Masterminds Test Series, students can appear for revision exams right from their home. So you can stay in your home and appear for revision examinations. That is called Masterminds Test Series. Old name was Postal Mode, new name is Masterminds Test Series. We will even conduct one set of pre-final exams for the benefit of these students. So I hope that majority students will feel this service to be of great help to them, and I hope that large number of students will take benefit of this service. All the best.